Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and my name is Adela Majanki. I'm a business development officer with a brokerage company. Last week we did analysis for GPUSD and our periodic entries using an harmonic pattern 33 So at the moment, looking at the 1 day time frame, GPUSD is in the sell trend. It means that when you look at the 1 day time frame, is forming the second wave. So it will either do the second wave and form another third wave uptrend, or continue with a 5 wave. So today, as I promised last week, thank you for everyone who called me. Thanks for those who sent me a message and to support me, to also advise me. Thank you very much for all the support and all the advices you gave me. And some people also called me asking me about the promises I made about the pending order. So today we're doing how to place a trade using the pending order. So what is pending order? Pending order is something that is different in market execution. Pending order is simple a trade that has not been yet executed. So that's the difference between market execution and a pending order. Pending order is like you don't want to sell or buy a particular market instrument at a which is a particular point. But the market execution means that at the same time you place a trade, it's automatically starts buying or selling, depending on whatever you choose. So we have buy limits, you have sell limits, you have buy, you have sell stop, you also buy limit stop. If I'm right, yeah. So today we will focus more on the buy limit and the sell limit, and tomorrow we continue with the buy stop and the sell stop. And next week you do the buy limit stop. If you guys are okay, let's go. So as I was saying, pending order simply means that a trade that has not been yet executed, meaning you don't want to buy or sell a particular market instrument, either stock, commodity indices, till it reaches a particular point. So what is buy limit? Buy limit simply means that you don't want to buy this particular thing till it reaches this before it starts buying, if I'm right. So let's say that market is doing some waves. Markets always do a correction, an impulsive and a correction. So after the impulsive, the market start doing some correction. And let's use USD or GPUSD. Let's say the market's current price is 1.300. And looking at all the analysis you did, you know that, okay, when the price reaches this and goes to less 1.250, it will start buying. So always note this. Buy limit simply means that you all want to place, you want to buy at this particular price. So you place to buy below the actual price. Place your buy below the actual price. So if price of GPUSD is 1.300, then your entry price will be 1.250. So when price reaches this, because you know that when the market reach 1.250, it will start buying. When it reach 1.250, automatically it will start buying, and you'll be either in profit or you'll be in loss. So that's for the buy limit. Buy limit means when you want to place a buy limit, always place it below the actual price. The entry price will be below the actual price. So guys, that's what it's all about. Buy limit. Place it below the actual price. Limit and stop. Limit and stop. Limit and stop. Tomorrow I'll explain the difference between the limit and stop. You place it below. When it's buy, you place it below the entry price, the actual price. Okay. So when the market reaches the 1.250, it will start buying. So it will start the execution will start. So you then end making some profit or making some loss if your analysis are all right. So guys, I've stated that today we are doing a pending order. Pending order simply means that a trade that has not been yet executed, meaning you don't want to buy or sell a particular market instrument till it reaches a particular point or a particular price. So let's move to sell limits. Let's move to sell limits. The sell limit is opposite of the buy limit. So let's say that market is still doing some impulsive move. I start doing some correction. So let's say this is what the market is doing. And upon analysis you did, you saw that okay, looking at the candlestick, it has an engulfing and a bearish engulfing. That is that for me. Once to place a sell, but to want the sell the price, the market price to reach this particular price before it will start selling. Because you know that when it reaches that, the market will start selling. So you always place your price, the entry price, above the actual price. So if say if GBUSD is 1.40400, so your entry price will be 1. If your entry price is 1.400, actual price is 1.400, your entry price will be 1.440. That will be your entry price. Because you know when it reaches 1.440, it will start selling. It will start doing the downtrend. So guys, buy limit simply means you place the price. Your entry price have to be below the actual price. And the selling means the entry price had to be above the actual price. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Today the video will be very short, so tomorrow we'll continue with the buy stop and the sell stop. So I hope you enjoy what we did today. As I said, pending order simply means that a trade that has not been yet executed. And the difference between execution and the pending order simply means that the market execution is at the same moment you place your trade. At the same time, to start buying or selling, depending on whatever you are doing. Pending order means that you don't want the market to start executing till it reaches a particular price or point. So today we did buy limits. Buy limits, when you're placing the buy limit, always place it below the entry price, but the sell limit is above the entry price. So tomorrow, within a week, you also apply it, how to use the MT4 or the MT5 platform to place the new order for the pending order. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and this video has been helpful. For those who asked me, those who called me, send me a message for me to do this video for them, I hope you really enjoyed this video. This video will be on my channel at Eloma Junkie, so you can share with your friends, share yourself, read it as soon as possible, and tomorrow we'll continue with the buy stop and the sell stop. So guys, enjoy your day, and I hope for those who are tuning to today Monday, enjoy your trade, because today Monday I don't trade on Mondays. So guys, enjoy this video and see you tomorrow. Bye.